Good morning, my dear students. Welcome to the EVS class, all the children. You must on your videos, all the children. Okay? Are you ready for the class? All are you must on your videos, children. Okay. So, how are you all? I know you all are very well, children. Okay. So, what is our subject name? Environmental studies. What is our subject name? Environmental studies. Okay. So, in this class, previous I taught a lesson. Previous class, 1 week back, I taught a lesson. Okay, once again, now I'm going to repeat that topic only because of many days gap, no. So that is why again I will repeat that topic. So today, what is our lesson name? Growing plants. Am I correct, children? What is the lesson name? Growing plants. So the lesson name is growing plants. In this lesson, I taught a reproduction. What is a reproduction? What is a reproduction? Can you say anyone? Already I taught what is a reproduction. The process by which living things produce new living things. Okay? The process by which living things produce new living things of the same kind. Of the same kind is called a reproduction. Already I taught this. Okay? What is a reproduction? The living things. The process by living things. For example, plants. MD Arshad, sit properly. Look at the board. You must on your videos, all the children. K. Akshaya, Vignesh, Kamampati Harshad, Reha, Rizwan, Sanjay. You must on your videos, all the children. Now your interest teacher will take attendance. Okay. So in this lesson, growing plants, I taught first reproduction. So for example, I take one plant. So the process by which living things, okay, the process by which living things produce same kind of living things, it is called reproduction. And I taught already reproduction in plants. Next topic, reproduction in plants. I said already reproduction in plants. Most plants reproduce through seeds. First what I taught about the seeds. So most plants reproduce through seeds. So these seeds, some of the fruits have only one seed. And some of the fruits have many seeds. Few seeds or many seeds. Already I taught examples also. For example, mango. Am I correct, children? And next second one is only few seeds. What are the few seeds? Apple. And many seeds. What are the examples of many seeds? Guava, pomegranate. So these all are the reproduction in plants. So I taught first seeds. Yeah, very good. Papaya. Most plants grow from seeds. Okay. And next I taught spores. Some are the plants. Some plants reproduce through spores. Some plants reproduce through spores. Did you understand all the children? Already I taught this topic, but again, once again I repeat, many days gap, no? That is why once again I remind you. Okay? Plants such as, for example, ferns. Examples. Here I am telling you. Examples. Ferns. Mosses. also. Mushrooms. So these all are the examples of spores. What is, so plants have ferns, mosses. So these are not, do not bear flowers. So spores do not bear flowers. They have only spores. They have only spores. For example, here I wrote ferns, mosses and mushroom. Each spore has a single cell. Okay, each spore has a single cell that can grow into a new plant. So each spore has a only single cell. Single cell. So that can grow into a new plant. So that single cell grow into a new plant. Okay. So and mushrooms and fungi also reproduce through spores, and fungi also here. Another one example. Fungi. Ferns, mosses, mushrooms and fungi. So these plants reproduce through spores. So spores have only single cell. Single cell grow into a new plant. Each spore has a only single cell that can grow into a new plant. Panne Harsh, did you understand? Yeah, very good. Meghana, on your video, Nana. Jashwant, Pagudala Vishnuvardhan, Mailaram Vishika, you must on your videos, all the children. Okay. So next one I got reproduction in plants, already seeds are completed and spores are also completed. Now here I am explaining. Next one is body parts. Already I taught body parts about that what stem, fruits, many parts. These body parts means plant body parts. Did you understand, children? Body parts means that is plant body parts. Some plants reproduce from their body parts. Okay? Such as, already I taught that. What are the body parts here? Plant body parts. Root, first one. Stem. Leaves. Okay? Just here I wrote what? Root, leaf and stems. This type of reproduction, which plants grow from body parts? Which plants grow from the body parts? What are the body parts here? Root, stem, leaf. These are the body parts. Okay. So this type of reproduction is called vegetative propagation. Did you understand, all the children? This type of reproduction is called vegetative propagation. Listen carefully, all the children. What is vegetative propagation? Some plants reproduce from their body parts. What is that body parts? Such as root, stem and leaves. So this type of reproduction is called vegetative propagation. Did you understand, all the children? Azra, look at the board, Nana. Okay. Now here what I am explaining, reproduction in plants. So first I taught most plants reproduce from their body power, seeds. Most plants reproduce through seeds. Some plants reproduce through spores, and some other plants reproduce through body parts. So what is reproduction here? The process by which living things produce new living things of same kind. Did you understand, all the children? What I said? So that is called reproduction in plants. So in this one, I taught already body parts examples. Do you know, children, what are the examples of Some other plants reproduce through body parts. Say anyone. Examples. Body parts. For example, leaves. The leaves of bryophyllum. Okay. The leaves of bryophyllum are heavy and it remains close to the ground. New plants grow on the edges of its leaves. New plants grow edges of its leaves. Did you understand, children? So, for example, you take root. Here are I said leaves example. In this body parts, leaves example I taught. What is that? Bryophylla. What is that, Sathik? Bryophylla. Yeah, very good. So, what are the examples of leaf? I taught only one, bryophyllum. And next stem. Sorry, root. Carrot. You take carrot or radish. Plants grow from the roots of the mother plant. Did you understand, Tanna Harshit? And next one, some plants such as garlic, onion can grow new plants from their bulbs. Bulbs means already I taught this. See, for example, this is a what is it? Garlic. See, this is an onion. So this is a plant. So this onion and these are the onion leaf. So plants, the carrot, such plants, some plants, garlic or onion can grow new plants from their bulbs. From their bulbs means see this. Okay, did you understand? So this is called a bulb. Okay, children, did you understand? So what here I am explaining? Garlic. Garlic or onion, same like the garlic also. See, this is a garlic. You know very well this same. So some plants means what are the some plants here? Here what I mean onion and garlic. Onion and garlic. These plants are grow from bulbs. New plants from their bulbs. What is that? Bulbs. Next, some plants such the carrot and radish plants grow from the roots of the mother plant. Okay. And next one, that what is that? Roots also completed. What are the roots I said? Carrot and radish. Leaves also I taught. What is the leaves? Examples of leaves? Bryophyllum. Did you understand, Chabasai Teja? Next stem. For example, plants like rose. Okay, rose and money plant. What are the examples of stem, children? Rose and money plant also. Rose, money plant grow from the stem cuttings of the mother plant. Grow from the stem cuttings of the mother plant. So see, what are the mother plant? Here I am telling you mother plant. Did you understand? So for example, this is a rose plant now. So rose plants have a thorns, you know, and leaves. So like this. So when here we cut from the mother plant, when we cut one stem from the mother plant, so this is a mother plant. So when you cut this one and you plant a new place, one place. So again, then new plant grows. So plants like rose, money plant grow from the stem cuttings of the mother plant. So these all are the examples of body parts. Did you understand all the children? What I taught here? I taught reproduction in plants. Just now I taught reproduction in plants. What is reproduction? And reproduction in plants, just now I explained. Okay. So some plants, most plants throw from seeds. And some plants reproduce through spores. And other plants reproduce through body parts. Here seeds, I said examples, many seeds. One seed, few seeds, many seeds, here I explained. And next is spores. What are the spores? Fungus, mosses, mushrooms, fungi, these are the spores. And body parts, root, stem, leaf. So, vegetative propagation. It is very important. Vegetative, what is vegetative propagation? Some plants reproduce from their body parts. Which plants reproduce from their body parts? That is called vegetative propagation. Okay, already here I taught examples of root, examples of stem, and examples of leaves. Okay, children? So, next one. What is here budding? I explained about the budding also. Plants with stems that grow horizontally. You know very well. Vertically means you know. Vertical means so this plant is vertically. So some plants have grow horizontally like this. Can you see here? So these plants, some plants with the stem that grow horizontally along the ground and produce buds. Buds means not B-I-R-D-S, B-U-D-S, buds. Okay, children? So, plants with stems. Yeah, what is your doubt? Kamampati Harshad? Unmute boy.
Teacher, what is reproduction, teacher?
Before I taught, no. The process by which living things. So, what is reproduction means? Some plants, for example, you take one plant. Okay, living things again produce new plant. So one plant reproduce and new plant, produce new plant of same kind. So that is called reproduction. Did you understand? So what is reproduction? The process by which living things produce living things of same kind. Same kind. For example, you take any one plant, any animal. For example, you take animal, cow. Okay. So cow, again it's give a new baby calf. It is a calf. So same kind. Did you understand, children? So in these plants also. So the process by which living things produce living things of the same kind. Okay? Of the same kind is called reproduction. Did you understand, Kamampati Harshad? Kamampati Harshad. Unmute boy. Did you understand?
Understand, teacher.
Okay. So, what is reproduction? Just now I said. What is that? The process by which living things. What are the living things here? I said already one example, plant. Okay? The process by which living things produce new living things. Okay, here from the plant again produce new living things of same kind. New living things of same kind. Is called same kind is called reproduction. So now here I explain reproduction in plants. Okay, what is reproduction and reproduction in plants? So here most plants reproduce through seeds and spores and body parts. Here I taught. Okay, and what is vegetative propagation also I explained. Some plants reproduce from body parts. Okay, some plants reproduce from their body parts such as root, stem, leaf. So I taught examples of root, stem, leaf. Okay, did you understand all the children? And next one I taught budding. 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 What is budding? Plants with stems. Plants with stems that grow horizontally. Plants with stems that grow horizontally along the ground. Already here I explained. So vertically, horizontally differences. See. So some plants are grow vertically, but some other plants are grow horizontally along the ground. Plants with stems that grow horizontally along the ground produce buds. New plants grow from these buds. So when some of the plants horizontally grow along the ground, so that produce buds now. That produce buds. See, buds means like this. You know very well when you are watching the stem. For example, this is the stem. We can see the stems in this middle. For example, you observe one rose plant. So we can see that buds, budding. Okay. See, for example, here also one budding is so some of the horizontally these plants are grow along the ground. So when these birds produce birds, from these birds to again grow new plant. Did you understand all the children? Nirma, Sana, Akshaya, Rizwan. Okay, what here I am explaining? Budding. What is a budding? Plants with the stem that grow horizontally along the ground. So when it is grow along the ground, this produce buds. Okay, so new plants grow from these buds. New plants grow from these buds. Okay, this is called the budding. You know very well. For example, here I taught one example of stem rose plant, Nana. So this rose plant grows vertically, but here middle have the buds. You know very well this type of buds. We can see. So where we are cutted here, for example, I cut from the mother plant one stem. So where I cut, where have the bud here, I cut there only. Okay, this is a budding. Did you understand all the children what is budding? Okay, shall I repeat again? Okay, so plants with the stem that grow horizontally along the ground, and it produce buds, buds, produce buds. New plants grow from these buds. So these are, for example, here produce one bud. So here produce one bud. So totally it is grow along the ground, no? So it produce buds. From these buds to again grow new plant. So that is called budding. It is called budding. Plants with stems that grow along horizontally along the ground and produce buds. New plants grow from these buds. So, for example, here bud, here bud, here bud, here bud. So again, new plant, new plant, new plant. So like this, many plants are grow there. Where had the bud? Where had the bud? They grow new plants. Did you understand, children? Still, if you have any doubts, please raise your hand on your mobile, children. No doubts, I think. Or if you have any doubts, Azrar, what are you doing? Listen first. No doubts. Okay. Okay. So what is the lesson name? Growing plants. In this growing plants, I taught today what is reproduction and reproduction in plants. What are the reproduction in plants? Most plants reproduce through seeds. Some plants reproduce through spores, and some other plants reproduce through body parts. So seeds example I taught one seed fruits are there, few seeds fruits are there, many seeds fruits are there, and I taught examples also. And spores I taught here, fungus, mosses, mushrooms, these are the spores. So, but spores have only one single cell. Spores have only one single cell. Okay? And next one, so from this cell to only grow new plant. And next one, body parts. Body parts means some plants reproduce from their body parts, such as root, stem, leaf. This process is called a vegetative propagation. This type of reproduction is called a vegetative propagation. Okay, and next one I taught, these are the examples also. Leaf example I taught here, bryophyllum, and root also, carrot, radish, these are the examples of the root. Stem means I taught examples of what rose plant and what money plant. Okay, these are the examples of the body parts. And I taught again budding. Okay, children, did you understand all the children? Okay, very good, children. And still, if you have any doubts, please raise your hand on your mobile number. No doubts. Okay, children. I hope you all are understood well, very well. Tomorrow I will continue this topic. Thank you.